Hello and welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to my day ones, twos, and threes. Thank you to all my new subscribers that's coming in. That means well. Thank you so very much. I appreciate you all, and welcome. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only, so everything is alleged, some is not, and the Fair Act use is in my description box, y'all. So let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. First, I want to say thank you to my subscribers that's been sending me the cash apps. Thank you all so very much. I appreciate you so very much. You know who you are. I don't have to say your names, okay? I also want to say this, y'all. I am going to be doing some Cash App giveaways for the up and coming holidays. So for all the new people that's coming in, that's new to the channel, I do this from time to time. I give out Cash Apps to, some of my subscribers for the holidays. Okay. I don't know exactly what I'm giving out yet for Thanksgiving, but I know I am going to give out something for Thanksgiving, and I'm definitely going to give out something for Christmas. Okay, y'all. So if I do not have your information, you have to have Cash App. You have to have Cash App. There's no way for you to get the money outside of having Cash App. So if you don't have Cash App, don't even try to enter, okay? Because I'm not doing nothing any other way. That's all I have, to make sure that you get it, okay, y'all? So you can find my information in my description box. You can reach out to me through IG, or you can reach out to me through my email. It's in my description box. If you can't find it, I'll just let me know in the comment section, and I'll put it in there in the comment section for you. If I don't, reach out to me through that and give me your Cash App information, and I will enter you into the drawings. Now, only thing I ask is that you try to watch some of the commercials. It helps the channel, and it also helps, that pot get bigger so that I can give out, a nice amount of money. Last year I gave away $1,000 for Christmas. Hopefully I can do it again this year, but you all gonna have to work with me by, watching some of the commercials. You don't have to watch the whole commercial, because some of these commercials is ridiculously long. Okay, y'all? But 30 seconds to a minute is just fine. Okay, y'all? So let's get to it. Let's get to it, y'all. Let's get to it. Okay? So word on the street is Diddy stay losing, y'all. He stay losing. Yes, he's in jail, but he still stay losing. Word on the street is, and reports are coming out, that a judge has just denied a request by P Diddy's legal team for a gag order for his trial that's supposed to be coming up in May 2025, which I don't know how his trial is going to come that fast, especially with all the people that's coming out. There's so much more stuff coming out, and this and that and this. I don't see how that trial date is going to start May the 25th, but we shall see, okay? They're saying that the gag order would have prevented government officials from leaking information about his case. But Judge Subramian, whatever it is, shot that request down, y'all. Said, oh no. If you man enough to go out here and do the things that you was doing, everybody gonna know about it, okay? Y'all, so get ready for a lot of stuff to be leaked, because the judge just said, you can't have your stuff. The judge did issue an order forcing government officials to adhere to the laws of the court, though. They did say that. To be clear, this order isn't based on a finding that there has been any wrongdoing thus far, as the court has made no findings at this juncture, I'm just saying, relating to the defendant's allegations. That information related to the case has been leaked. The point of this order is to help ensure that nothing happens from now on that would interfere with a fair trial. The court will take appropriate action for any violation of the rules, the ruling states. Okay, y'all? But the thing of it is, due to the fact, I want y'all to think about something. Do y'all remember 50 Cent saying that, Diddy and them was sending him videos and stuff of Cassie in compromising positions, trying to see if he wanted to, because see, Diddy was allegedly, this is what Cassie said, he liked it to get her to mingle tingle with other guys so that he could sit back and watch. He got off on watching. Okay, y'all? So he would send videos to other celebrities and other people. So to be honest with y'all, if these videos got leaked. They couldn't prove that the government was leaking it because he was sending videos to a lot of people, male models and all kind of stuff, adult entertainers. He was sending Cassie videos of her doing mingling and tingling with other people, sending it to them to see that, was they gonna bite the bait. It was like he was a big old gimp out here, y'all, with a P. Okay, you know, the gimp with the P. This was what he was doing. Like, he was sending these videos to other people. So how can they just say, oh, the government is leaking these videos, when P Diddy himself allegedly was leaking these videos itself? So I don't see how that could be something that they could just blame on the government. Oh, they raided the house and they got these videos, so they're leaking them. First of all, you shouldn't have had them in the first place. You shouldn't have been doing what you was doing. Now you worried about them getting leaked? Wasn't this the reason what you was holding them over people's head for? I'm just saying. He got his kids' movie roles and TV show roles. We don't know how he got those roles, y'all. He was the middleman in helping other people get jobs and all kind of stuff. How do we not know he wasn't using those tapes as leverage? And now you don't want the tapes to be used as leverage for... I'm just saying. When it comes to prosecuting you, you should have thought about that when you was making them. When you was taping all of them putting all them cameras up, recording people that didn't even know they was being recorded. You should have thought about that then. Now you want the court system to have your back when you was already doing wrong by recording people and they didn't even know they were being recorded. Y'all, please miss me with that, okay, y'all? Diddy's attorney said he was disappointed. I bet you are. I bet you are. He was disappointed with the ruling and denies that his client is a criminal. Well, it's clear he wasn't at the parties. And it's clear that he haven't seen the tapes. Y'all, why do people be quick to say somebody is not a criminal when they got all the evidence and all of these victims saying that, no, he is a criminal? I can't stand some lawyers, y'all. I just have to put it. I know this is their job to defend and lie and this and that and this. But that just is sometimes lawyers just get on my nerves because, you know, they go in these courtrooms and they go to bats for some of these people. Never mind the victims. They really don't even care. Long as the check is there, they don't even care, y'all. Now, they're saying that the rapper is now facing 27 lawsuits. Some accusing the rapper of mingle tingle assault, you know, against their will and all kind of stuff. But it's more than 27, y'all. I don't know why they keep... These numbers is just all over the place. 120, 180. Then they say they got up to 200 people. And then now they're saying so far it's 27 lawsuits. I guess this is the only amount that has been filed so far. But according to reports, they're saying that there's 200 people that has reached out to a lawyer and they have decided to take their case. So as far as the filing, then maybe this is what they're saying so far. It's only 27, I guess, has been filed. I don't know. But they're saying it's 200. And now, this is a blow to they whole little situation. For the judge to deny the gag order, oh, this is huge. This is huge. And we get to continue to talk about it. Okay, y'all. We get to talk about it. Especially, you know, the ones that want to talk about some of the stuff. Some of the stuff I can't talk about. I can't talk about all of the stuff that's coming out. Because it's disgusting. It is truly disgusting, some of the stuff they're saying. That's why I haven't been keeping up with this whole P Diddy stuff. Because it's just too much, y'all. It's too much. The nastiness of it all is ridiculous. And like I said, when I watched that Blink Twice movie, I was like, oh, Lord, this movie is definitely about P. Diddy and this and that and that and this. You know, they changed some stuff around in there, but it still was the same message. It still was the same stuff that was similarly going on. Just like the baby oil, they had perfume, you know, on the picture and stuff like that for people to use. Ooh, this smells so good. But they didn't know that this perfume was helping them lose their memory. You know what I'm saying? It was street pharmacy stuff mixed in there. Just like it was in this baby oil stuff, y'all. The part that gets me is P. Diddy kids is still running the streets partying and thinking that they're safe. A big time street associate, big time, you know, street pharmacy dealer was just taken down, and it's tied to P Diddy. Word on the street, and his kids are still running around thinking that they got it like that. I would hate to turn the TV on one day and see the news and hear that somebody did something to P Diddy's kids, but they are living in la la land, y'all, and they don't even understand the severity of what's going on with P Diddy right now. They don't even understand it. Even if it was he wasn't connected to this big street pharmacy dealer that just went down, even if he wasn't connected to that, look at all the people that they daddy recorded against their wills with all of these cameras in his house. Look at all the people that then lost these big jobs and all of this stuff. Not he didn't make them come to his party, but he still recorded them and did some really dirty stuff to his guests, y'all. Okay, it don't take away the fact that they're sick too, but the fact that he recorded them, his kids are not safe right now. And they running around here going to parties and acting as if everything is okay. That's the sad part about this whole situation. All I can do is say, I can't even say pray for them, because I don't know what to say about them. They were in the middle of this mess too. They were out here recruiting people to those parties as well. It's a lot of people that's peed off at B Diddy right now. It's a lot of people that's peed off at his kids. It's a lot of people that don't like his kids. It's a lot of people that's probably scheming on his kids to rob him and all kind of stuff right now, because they're easy targets right now, y'all. And a lot of people feel like if somebody did come at them, that it's their own fault, which is not, because their parents is the reason why they were where they were. And I don't understand why Al B. Sure keep running up behind Quincy trying to, kiss that back door to make him see him as his daddy. But Quincy got his own man. Quincy a grown man now. And if he wants to ride with P. Diddy to the end, till the wheels fall off, step back. And get your popcorn just like everybody else, Al B. Sure, and stop tripping on it. Because Quincy seemed like he want to be about the same thing that P. Diddy was about. They're still partying. They're still doing them. He has pretty much denounced his own daddy just to be tied to this monster right here, this demon right here. Who wants to be tied to a demon? But apparently he does. And all of these stories about his mother, even if P. Diddy didn't have, even if, and I doubt it, but even if he didn't have anything to do with Kim Porter's passing, he still was putting paws on their mama. Boys are usually protective of their mothers. Y'all, I don't understand where that went when it comes to Kim Porter. The kids act like they don't even care how P. Diddy treated their mama. That's the weird part about this whole thing. It's crazy, y'all. It really is. Like, even growing up, like, I never was around anything like that. But I can say this. I've been around aunties and uncles that put paws on each other. And I took sides. Oh, yes, I did. I couldn't stand certain people in my family because they would put paws on their mate. I couldn't stand them. We had to still come around them. Yeah, they go over and play cards and had their little gatherings and this and that. But I still couldn't stand them, y'all. And even as I got older, I was like, this is why, my aunt, who's no longer here anymore, but this is why my aunt, I think she had all the health issues that she had when she got older. Because of the fact that, my uncle was putting paws on her like that. And I couldn't stand him for that. I just wanted to see a man just break him off so bad. I just wished and hoped that one day I could just get to see somebody just break him off, y'all. This is how I felt growing up. Like, since he keep putting his hand on my auntie, and this was my auntie by marriage. She wasn't my auntie by blood. But I loved her that much that I could not stand my uncle by blood. That he couldn't keep his hands to himself. That peed me off, y'all. If you don't want to be with somebody, or they don't want to be with you, you can't make them be with you. And that's a grown person. They are not a child. You cannot put paws on them like they're a child, like you discipline them. You know what I'm saying? That's a sad situation. And for her sons to just ignore the fact that everybody is coming out saying that he was putting paws on your mama, the security guards, to everybody. And don't think for one thing that they didn't know that he was putting paws on Kim Porter. But they ignored. They choose. Quincy and them is disgusting to me. This is one of the reasons why I don't like his sons. I can't stand his kids. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. I cannot stand P Diddy kids, y'all, because they seem like they just about that partying lifestyle. They do not care. They spoil drip drops of Diddy, and they could care less. And the ones that ain't his kids, he didn't been around them that much, and they didn't adopted that lifestyle, that they could care less neither. I'm just saying, y'all, I can't stand them kids. Especially the fact that their mother is gone and they don't hold P Diddy accountable for nothing. Only thing they worried about is who gonna pay our car notes now that you're locked up. That's the only thing that they're worried about. They could care less that he dogged their mom out to the point where she's no longer here anymore. And she had a miserable life outside of enjoying his little money. The rest of her life was miserable. So it's sad on so many levels, but it is what it is, y'all. But anyway, a win for, it's a win-win for everybody else against P. Diddy right now because no gag order. Okay, y'all? Anyway, please like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. And thanks for watching, y'all. Peace.